may mga lawmakers po and advocacy groups who have been urging stricter regulation or even a total ban on online gambling platforms.
Yes.
Andyan ho yung issue ng addiction, financial ruin among the vulnerable sector. Why was the issue of online gambling not included in your SONA?
Because we still have to form the policy on what we are going to do about online gambling. And to this end, I have already started to organize to convene a conference of those who are all the stakeholders. We are talking about marami tayong naririnig from the CBCP. So, sama natin sila, mga pare, mga obispo. The parents, of course, are stakeholders here kasi victimized demographic ang mga kabataan. Tapos, we have to talk to the people who will, if kung magre-regulate tayo, who will be doing the regulation. The first effect of banning it fully is to put it underground. And then we have no control. Yan talagang wala na tayong regulation.
That was the same argument in banning POGOs. Ganon din po
Yes.
yung mga pinapalutang na argument nun. What makes this different?
Because this is not a criminal enterprise. The Pogo itself
Yes.
was not, walang problema.
Yeah. May mga lisensyado. Yes.
At saka yung kung meron online gaming, sige, mag-online gaming. Wala namang pera pumapasok dito sa Pilipinas, nandiyan sa labas lahat. Okay, so no problem. Sinabayan ba naman ng human trafficking, ng credit card scam, kung ano-ano na nangyayari, 'di ba?
Prostitution.
Yun ang naging problema. Yun ang naging problema, the illegal part of it. Which I'm glad you asked that question because it brings us to the same situation with online gambling in general. Because we have with online gambling in general, what is the problem we're trying to solve? What we're trying to solve is that hindi malubog sa utang ang wala namang kaya,
Yes.
pero napapasubo dahil sa sugal. Mga bata na natututo magsugal. Let's focus on that. Paano natin patitigilin yan? These are the things that we're going to examine and we will come up with a plan to make sure that we address the problem. The problem is not online gambling. The problem are the social effects on our children and those who are addicted to gambling.